Taken in Derbyshire on Saturday. Fields flooded there, but Sheffield too saw a deluge of rain. In fact, this autumn so far in Sheffield, there has been 383 millimetres of rainfall. That's 45% of the average annual rainfall. So that just shows how much that there has been. Hardly surprising then that DEFRA has a lot of flood warnings out across parts of England and Wales, but currently there are 5 severe flood warnings out on the River Don. Now, a severe flood warning means danger to life and take immediate action. So what we have today is a weather front which has been moving from the west towards the east. It will clear into the North Sea but linger across the northeast of Scotland. These isobars close together tell you it's going to be gusty, and the wind today coming from a chilly north or northwesterly direction, blowing the rain over into the North Sea, except for in the northeast of Scotland. And then we've got a lot of showers. We have them already coming in right behind, and some of those showers will be heavy and thundery with hail. Now, overnight we saw settling snow above about 200 metres in the Highlands. In the heavier showers, you're likely to see some more of that today. These white circles with the numbers in them indicate sustained wind speeds. Gusts, of course, will be much more than that, and coming from a chilly direction, it will make it feel cooler than these temperatures suggest. And these temperatures generally are about a degree or so below where they should be at this stage in November, hanging on to the milder by comparison air across the southwest of England and also the Channel Islands. Now, through this evening and overnight, the low pressure still very much is driving our weather. We still have a lot of showers rotating around it, but there'll be some clear spells as well. And if you're away from the breeze and out of the showers, in some sheltered glens, for example, we could well see some frost. But once again, in the heavier showers above about 200 metres, we're likely to see some settling snow. So into tomorrow, our low pressure drifts into the North Sea. We still have weather fronts draped around it, and we still have this northwesterly breeze. So tomorrow, once again, we're looking at quite a lot of showers, basically rotating around this area of low pressure. So it's hit and miss where you'll catch one. You could be in an area that sees lots of showers, maybe just one or none at all. In between them, there will be sunny skies, and we're also looking at, once again, some snow above 200 metres. But we've got a straight northerly coming down the North Sea, so that will make it feel cooler than those temperatures are suggesting. Then Wednesday into Thursday, this next area of low pressure comes our way. This is the direction we think it's going to take. So as you can see, it's likely to bring some more rain across areas where we really do not want it. So across northern England and also the Midlands with some hill snow. Now, the Met Office has a couple of weather warnings out this week. One that's valid today into lunchtime tomorrow, about midday for rain, and the same on Thursday for areas like the north of England and the Midlands. So if you're concerned about further flooding issues, do keep in touch with the weather forecast. But in summary, further spells of rain, some hill snow, often windy and cold, especially if you're in the rain and exposed to the wind. Dan and Lou.
Thank you very much for that, Carol.
On Saturday, you can see the flooding. As we've seen the pictures in the news on breakfast this morning, there still is flooding. And in fact, in Sheffield, since the beginning of autumn, we have had 383 millimetres of rainfall. To put that into context, that's 45% of the average annual rainfall, not the monthly, the annual. So a real deluge. It's been raining through the course of the night. So DEFRA still does have out 5 severe flood warnings on the River Don. Now, severe flood warning means imminent danger and to life as well, and take action. But as well as the severe flood warnings, there are 48 flood warnings in their own right. So more rain on the cards today. We've got a weather front which has been moving from the west to the east, taking its rain with it, and then behind it, coming in on blustery northerly or northwesterly winds, a lot of showers. So first thing this morning, we've got rainfall through parts of Yorkshire down towards East Anglia, Kent, Surrey, the London area. That is moving eastwards into the North Sea. It will linger across northeast Scotland, and then right behind it, and we've already got this scenario, there are some showers, and some of those showers heavy and thundery with hail. Now, the white circles indicate the sustained wind speeds. The gusts will obviously be more than that, and above about 200 metres. Overnight, we've already seen some settling snow in the Highlands. We'll see some more of that as we go through the course of the day. So with all of that going on, however you look at it, it's going to feel cold. We've got temperatures ranging from 5 in the north to milder 11 in the southwest. But generally, temperatures are about a degree or so lower than they should be at this stage in November. Now through this evening and overnight, continue with a lot of showers. Where we've got clear skies and not much breeze in parts of the Highlands, we could see some frost. But don't forget, in the heavier showers above 200 metres, once again we'll see some settling snow. These are the kind of temperature values between 1 and about 5 degrees, something a little bit milder, if you call 8 degrees milder, in the Channel Islands. So we start like that tomorrow. Low pressure anchored in the North Sea. We have a weather front wrapped around it, and the spacing in the isobars tells you that tomorrow it's also going to be a breezy day. Now the showers will be rotating around the low pressure in an anti-clockwise direction, which is what they do. So the showers are going to be fairly hit and miss. You could see lots of them, just a few of them, or none at all. And if you are in the position of seeing none at all, then you're likely to have some bright or sunny spells. Temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees, but note the wind direction down the east coast. It's a straight northerly, so it's really going to feel cold if you're exposed to that. By the time we get through Wednesday and into Thursday, this next area of low pressure is coming our way. This is where we think it is going to take position, and we're looking at farther spells of rain across areas where we really don't want them. That's across northern England and also the Midlands. So if you are heading out and you are concerned about the weather this week, do keep in touch with the forecast. You can see the Met Office weather warnings on our website. But in summary, further spells of rain, some hill snow, often windy, and of course, cold. Lou and Dan.
Oh, it is indeed. Thank you very much, Carol.